Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given a surface area of a solid metallic sphere is 616 centimeters square. It is melted and recast into smaller spheres with diameter is 3.5. So the diameter of the smaller sphere is 3.5 centimeters. So if the diameter is 3.5, then the radius will be 3.5 divided by 2. So now find the radius of the bigger sphere. So for that, use surface area of the bigger sphere. So surface area is equals to 4 pi r square. Surface area is given as 616. So if you simplify that, we'll get 616 is equals to 88 by 7 r square. So if you multiply 616 and 7, we'll get 4312 divided by 88 equals to r square. So r square is equals to 49 and r is equals to 7. So the radius of the bigger sphere is 7 centimeter. So now we have the radius of the smaller and bigger spheres. Now find the volume of each sphere. So which is the volume of bigger sphere and the smaller sphere. The volume of the sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So if radius is 7, then the volume of bigger sphere becomes 4 pi by 3 into 7 cube is 343. Now find the volume of smaller sphere. 4 by 3 into pi, r is 3.5 by 2 whole cube. So we'll get 4 pi by 3. So 3.5 whole cube becomes 42.875 and 2 cube becomes 8. So now find the number of spheres. How many spheres can be obtained in that? So number of spheres equals to the volume of a bigger sphere divided by the volume of a smaller sphere. So just substitute the volumes of each sphere here and find the number of spheres that can be obtained in that. So the volume of bigger sphere we got as 4 pi by 3 into 343. Volume of smaller sphere is 4 pi by 3 into 42.875 divided by 8. Here 4 pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3 cancels out, and this 8 goes to numerator, so 343 times of 8 divided by 42.75. so if we multiply 343 and 8, we'll get 2744 divided by 42.875. so if we divide, we'll get 64. So we can conclude that we'll get 64 such spheres in that. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.